Jeffrey Estrelli at Ironman MX for round 4 of the ATV Motocross series. Coming off a podium here last year, even coming off injury and to a podium here last year was a big turning point for me last year. And being on the podium the first 3 rounds this year, just I'm going to try to keep that going. And I think my time's coming sooner or later to step up and get a win, and just really look at keeping it consistent for the whole year and just be there at the end of the year for the points. And so far so good. So just gonna keep the momentum rolling and just keep clicking away.
I love this track. I've always done well here. Super excited to get this race started. I've been itching to race for 3 weeks now since we had another 3-week break, and I'm glad to be back here racing and obviously starting off the weekend great with the first in time qualifying. So looking forward to the first gate drop, and we'll see you after. It was a great day for me. After Texas losing those 6 points and today gaining them back, it's a big confidence booster and a big deal for the championship points. So going into High Point, my home race, I guess you could say, I'm pumped for that, and it's one of my favorite tracks. So we'll see what we can do.
Coming out here with the points lead is key for me, and heading back home to Illinois and try to get used to this hard pack again. And I just feel like we make some improvements for next round, heading out to Pennsylvania. So we'll see you guys there.
Came out of the weekend here at Ironman in 3rd. Pumped to be on the podium. It's the first one for the year. I think the rest of the season's gonna be awesome. We're gonna battle it out, and I'm looking forward to the next 6 rounds and pushing forward and hopefully being up here 6 more times.